Hello, beautiful person watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you. And thank you so much for clicking and watching. And to you, my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to you for always coming back and showing me so much love. On today's episode of Cooking with Benna, I am going to be sharing with you all how I make my pan-seared salmon with sauteed kale, mushrooms and bell peppers. Now guys, if you don't like kale, you want to try incorporating this in your diet because this vegetables is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. And I also picked the brown mushrooms because they have more nutrients as well, so it will change the color of your kale, but that's okay. It's more healthy that we are going for. Now I serve this with my Hasselback potatoes that are baked with some hardy herbs like thyme and rosemary. They are crispy, delicious and look so presentable. Just look at how beautiful those potatoes are. I'm going to be sharing this recipe as well in my next video and I cannot wait. So guys, please stick around. So for our pan-seared salmon and sauteed kale and mushroom, we'll need the following. I have here some salmon fillet. I have my mushroom over there. I'm doing the brown mushroom, the shiitake, just because they are more healthy. They have more nutritional value. My salt and pepper, of course. I have some crushed pepper flakes right here, chili flakes. That's about 1 tablespoon. You can do more or less or leave it out if you don't want it spicy. I have here 1 red bell pepper. I have some 5-6 cloves of garlic, not really big ones, and I have my kale. I already washed my kale and also just rough shredded it. I left one. I'm just going to show you in a moment how I rough shred my kale, taking out the stems. So for my kale, guys, here is how I rough shred it. I just take it down all the way like this. See, so I leave the stem out and I just, just rough shred it like this because as it cooks down, it is going to wither. Now I've also gone ahead and chopped off my mushroom. You can basically do this any way you like, any shape you like, as well as my bell peppers. I prefer them this shape. So, and for the salmon, I have gone ahead and sprinkled some salt and pepper on there, and also mince my garlic. So we will proceed to cook right now. So guys, to start, I have my pot all heated and I added about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I also added some pepper flakes and part of the minced garlic. So I'm going to start first by going in with our mushrooms. Oops. So I'm going to saute our mushrooms for about 3 to 5 minutes. Right now I'm not going to add in any salt yet. I'll let it cook down for about 3 to 5 minutes before I can go ahead and add in some salt and pepper. So guys, I've been cooking the mushrooms on high heat for about 4 minutes. Now I'm going to go in and add in a pinch of salt and also some black pepper. So I've gone ahead and removed my mushrooms here and I'm going to set them aside. So for the mushrooms, you want to make sure that you cook them on high heat. And in the same pot, I have added in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and I added the rest of the garlic and also the pepper flakes. And so next I'm going to go in with the kale. I'll just let this saute for about 1 minute and then I'll go in with the kale next. So I'm going in with my kale. You want to make sure that you take your time slowly as you put it in to really massage it. So guys, it's taken me about 5 minutes, and you can see all the kale, it's all gone. It all shrink. And at this point, I'm going to go in with our bell pepper. And I'll continue to saute on high heat. I'm also going to go in with some salt and some black pepper as well. So guys, I added in the bell pepper, and I also went ahead and added about a 1/4 cup of water, just because my kale was dry, and I also drizzled in some olive oil. If you find that your kale is dry, please add some water to make it moist. And also remember that the mushrooms has some water. So I'm gonna go right now and just add in our mushrooms. I'm just gonna stir everything in. So as I added the pepper, I put in the water and I cooked it for about 4 to 5 more minutes. And at that point, please make sure you adjust your pepper and your salt, your seasoning to taste. I'm just gonna stir this in for maybe 2 more minutes, because the mushrooms have already been cooked. We don't want to overcook our mushrooms anymore. And I'm just going to set this aside, and we can proceed to cook our salmon. So I've gone ahead and put the kale aside. So I'm going to cook the salmon right now. So I have here my skillet on heat, and I've added about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm just gonna put the salmon skin facing down. And I'll let each side cook for about 4 minutes. So I've gone ahead and flipped the salmon after 4 minutes. So the skin cooks down nicely, and so I'm going to let the top part cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, and then our salmon will be ready to go. Guys, our salmon is all good to go. Just look at that. This is what we want, the crispy, nice golden color. I'm just gonna go ahead and serve it with the vegetable in a moment. So guys, our pan-seared salmon and sauteed kale, bell peppers and mushrooms all ready to be served. Just look at how gorgeous that looks. It looks so beautiful. I just love colors. Like, the more colors you have in your food, the better for you, because then they have more nutrients in them. So you want to be intentional about how you go around shopping for your foods, your fruits and vegetables, because the brighter they are, the more beautiful, the more, you know, life they bring to your body. Just look at that. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. And hey, before I forget, I want to say a shout out to my friend. She gave me the kale from her garden. Thank you so much for sharing with me, my friend. I appreciate you for that. And so guys, we will be serving this tonight with the Hasselback baked potatoes. I am also going to be sharing this recipe with you in a moment, so please be in the lookout for these potatoes. How gorgeous they are, guys. So look at how beautiful they are. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe so you can join my family. Also share this video with your friends and family, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you. Bye.